Wow, look how green and beautiful the ground is, and the trees are so lovely. And look, a cute little car is coming, and the kid is very happy. What's this? A table and a basket. Let's see what's inside the basket. Wow, there are so many cute and colorful birds in the basket. Let's learn their colors. Look, this is a red bird. Red. The red bird flies away. Wow! Now the blue bird. Blue. The blue bird happily flies away. And this is the green bird. Green. The green bird flies near the trees. This is the yellow bird. Yellow. The yellow bird flies away, shining brightly. Wow! Now the orange bird. Orange. The orange bird dances and then flies away. Purple bird. Purple. The purple bird flies toward the stars. Pink bird. Pink. The pink bird flies away, making hearts. So cute. Brown bird. Brown. The brown bird walks on the ground and then flies away. Black bird. Black. The black bird flies up into the sky. White bird. White. The white bird flies between the clouds. Amazing! All the birds fly away happily. The kid is very happy too. I love colors.
Like, share, subscribe.